Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to attach these magnetic locks to your beaded bag. It is so simple, so just stay tuned and watch. So when you get your magnetic locks, it is going to come in a pair like this. So you have a thicker side and the thinner side. That is how we are going to be differentiating it. So these are the two sides, a very thick side. As you can see, the sides are thick, and you have a very thin side, and it's going to come with these two extra thingies. I don't know what they're called. And basically what these do is you attach them at the back of those, tall towers at the back. Yeah, then you're just going to press it in to secure that little circle that you just inserted. So just follow everything that I'm doing in this video if I'm not explaining it well, and make sure you watch this video to the end. So I'm basically doing the same thing on the thinner side. So now that we have all of that done, as you can see, we have little holes in between, and those are the holes that are going to help us do this attachment. Now you're going to grab your fishing line. I will prefer that you use a thin fishing line. Personally, I was using a 0.5 fishing line. Yeah. So you're going to go ahead and mark where you want to attach your lock. By the way, I have the tutorial of this beaded bag up on my channel. Make sure you check it out. This is a cylinder bag. And you are going to count until you get to the middle, and I just put my fishing line and at the third bead in the middle, like so. Make sure you're inserting it in a bead that moves from left to right, or from right to left basically. And after inserting your fishing line, you are going to take the thin of the locks, of the magnetic locks, that very thin one. Then you're going to insert it into each side of those two holes of the magnetic lock. Like I said, if what I'm saying doesn't make sense, make sure you just watch the video carefully or even slow it down. Then I am going to move to the second bead. Remember, I inserted my fishing line into the third bead of that middle place. So now I'm going to insert my fishing line into the second bead that moves from left to right, or from right to left. Like I said, we are working on the beads which move from right to left here, like that move from the side. So I just crossed it. Basically, I took the fishing line on my left, crossed into that bead to my right, and the one on my right crossed it to the left. And when you cross it like that, you're going to pull it, and this is going to firm up your your lock. Your lock is going to stay in place. But to further secure it, I am simply going to go into the beads at the side which go from up to down. So basically I am going down now. I'm inserting my fishing line down like so on the two sides. Then I'm going to take one fishing line and insert it into that very first bead where we inserted our fishing line, so that the two fishing lines can meet. Then I am going to tie it twice or even 3 times. Guys, this thing is not going to move. I don't care how hard you're going to pull it. It is not going to move until you take a blade or a scissors and cut it off. Yeah. So I'm just tying it. Then the next thing I'm going to do obviously is to tuck in my fishing line. See as I'm pushing it, guys, I'm using so much force, and if you don't believe me, just try out this method. Yeah. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. On this channel I do beaded videos, so make sure you check out all my other videos. Please make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell. I apologize for the noise, by the way. Then make sure you like, share this video, leave a comment down in the comment section. And to all my old subscribers, thank you guys so much for continuing to support me. Now to attach the other lock, you're simply going to take the lock at the top, then fold it over and mark where you want it to be. Find the midpoint again, obviously. This is why when I am doing a bag which entails a magnetic lock, I try to do it in odd numbers. If you watch the tutorial for this video, I did this bag with odd numbers so that we have a midpoint. So I just marked the middle bead there. Then, like I did in the at the top side or at the flap, I went to the third bead and inserted my fishing line right there, like so. Then I'm going to pick up the bigger lock or the thicker lock. So just know this and know peace. The thinner lock goes on the flap and the thicker lock goes on the beaded bag itself. Yeah. So I've just inserted my fishing line in that direction. Make sure you check out the directions first so that you don't make any errors, like so. Yeah, then I am just going to cross again into the bead that goes from left to right. Know that when you are inserting your fishing line, you're inserting it in beads that go from left to right or from side to side, and only after you're done crossing, like I have just done here, crossing the two fishing lines like this and pulling, now you are going to insert your fishing line into the beads that run from top to bottom. So here I'm inserting my fishing line going on top until my fishing line meets the other fishing line on the other side. I'm sure you guys can understand this. It is very simple to do, very easy. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them down in the comment section. I'm going to address them. So I am just bringing my two fishing lines into the same spot and I am tying it as firm as I can. That thing is not moving, it won't move. Okay, so tell me what you think about this tutorial down in the comment section. If it helped you, let me know. So when you're done tying, obviously the next thing you're going to do is to tuck in your fishing line. So you're just going to, you know, do it however you like to, tuck in a zigzag or haphazard way. So that is basically it. Like I said, check out the tutorial for this cylinder bag that I did. It is up on my channel. I'm going to leave the link up in the cards, in the description box, and at the end of this video. If you don't see any of those places, check in the comment section. The first comment that you see is going to be me, and you're going to see the tutorial right there, or the link of the tutorial. Okay guys, thank you guys. Okay guys, why did I just say that? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please check out my channel to watch more beautiful and, you know, classy beaded bag tutorials, and, you know, some tips and tricks when you're doing your beaded bags, and also some accessory tutorials on how to make your beaded bags look good. They're all up on my channel. Just go through my channel and check it out. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. As you can see, lock works perfectly. As you just slide it in, it locks and it pulls out very easily. So that's it for this tutorial. Tell me what you think down in the comment section, and I'm going to reply to all your comments. Check out the tutorial for this back up on my channel as well. And that is basically it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.